Okay, this is the flying tea bag. All you need is a tea bag, but it does need to be the sort of ones with a string. I'd recommend the Twinings fruit teas. They're the ones that seem to work the best with this. And some money in a note form, £10 note, £20 note. It's optional, you don't need it for the experiment, and it's quite good to use the kids' money if any of the students have their own money in the lesson. Essentially what you've got to do is take the tea bag and you've actually got to unpick it, which can be a bit fiddly. Sometimes you might want to do this before the lesson starts. And then once you've unpicked the tea bag, which you will see that you can unroll the tea bag. So it rolls out like that. Pour the tea away, don't need the tea. So what you are using is the actual tea bag itself, which once broken out is actually a tube shape. Alright, then what you do is you place, it can be on a table, but it's more interesting to place it on some money, and it gets the students a bit kind of worried about their own money, if it is their own money. Place it like that so it's stood up. Now it mustn't fall over, so things like students moving or blowing on it will ruin the experiment, so be really careful of that. And all you've got to do then is light it. And you'll see why as it's burning down, if it's students' money, they're going to start being a bit panicky about it. But with a bit of luck, when it gets to near the bottom, it suddenly floats up in the air, like so. Now, it's a bit of a warm day today. If it was a colder day, it would actually probably go a bit high. It normally goes really high, so it's a bit of a warm day today. What is going on there? What do you use it for? Well, obviously, it's the start of a convection current. The air around the tea bag is being heated up, so those particles are moving faster, they're spreading out more, the air's less dense. Once the tea bag is light enough, the whole thing gets lifted into the air, and your £10 note is absolutely fine. Not really any safety precautions with it, other than the fact that if it does fall over, it will burn £10 notes, so you have to make sure that students are all still in the room when they watch it. But they do love it, and it's a great thing to get them talking about what's going on, why does it float up. They talk about the fact that heat rises, but why does heat rise? What do we mean by that? All those sort of questions can come out of this particular demonstration.